This is your 2-minute warning. 2 minutes to reorient your story and to start your do-over right. Kathy was a bold, overconfident undergrad in my religious studies course at Elmhurst University, the kind that sits off to one side of the room, reclining in an uncomfortable chair, daring you to win her attention. And then, her phone rang. It was a few years ago when we were all figuring out how to handle smartphones in class. Everyone else in higher education was upset by the distraction. I enjoyed it. We'd agreed on one rule. If your mother calls during class, you must answer it. No exceptions. Say hello, explain that you're in class now. Your mother will apologize, but keep talking. Answer her questions and say goodbye. It was like each mom was reading from the same script. Apologies, but then they kept talking, asking questions. Yes, green beans will be fine. Okay, I'll park the car in the driveway next time. But Kathy was different. She smirked and rolled her eyes as she shared with the class all the questions and instructions offered by her mother, and then abruptly said, "Mom, I've got to go." And I chimed in, "Kathy, say I love you, Mom." Kathy's face went blank. She shyly and quietly said, "I love you, Mom," and hung up. We all went back to the class topic somewhere in the middle of the 19th century, and it wasn't until a few weeks later that Kathy sent me a note. "Dr. Callahan, this is Kathy." "Yes, that Kathy. And you remember when my mom called during class?" "Well, I hadn't told my mom I love you since I was a little girl." Thank you. Find room in your do-over to say I love you to someone you should have said it to a long time ago and more often.